Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Andrew, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture in Instagram new Threads app. Let's jump to my phone screen so that I can show you step by step how this is done. I'm currently in the Threads app right here. All you have to do is tap on the lower left icon, which looks like a head. Let's put it like that. And you want to edit your profile. Right now, once you click edit your profile, just go ahead and tap on your image and you will see that you can remove your current photo, import photos from Instagram, and also you can add a new profile picture. You just simply want to choose one of the options, or you simply tap a new picture and search for the picture in your phone. Now, once you find the picture in your phone that you like, you just need to select it and just click the uppermost arrow button to the right, and just you can play around with the filters here, and then you just basically click the button once more again to process it. And that's all there is to it. And that's how easy it is, guys. That's how easy it is for you to change your profile picture within Instagram new Threads app. Now guys, if you found some value within this video, go ahead, give this video a like. And if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, feel free to subscribe to the channel to see much more videos coming out every week like this one. See you next time.